Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to read the deleted messages on Snapchat easily. Let's get started. Open the Snapchat app on your phone, then tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings. Then scroll down to the privacy control section and tap on My Data. If prompted, log in again for security reasons. Then you'll see an option to export the Snapchat data, including your Snapchat history, the chat history, the memories, and the location data. Then ensure that the chat history is selected. Tap Next and choose time range, last week, month, year, or all time. Tap Submit and Snapchat will start preparing your data. The Snapchat will send an email once your data is ready. Go back to Snapchat and click My Data and tap See Export, then Download. Open your file app on your phone. Then locate the downloaded zip file and extract it. Then, open the chat history file and you'll see all your deleted messages. And that's it. Now you can read your deleted messages on Snapchat. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.